Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 2, and y equals negative 24. The second point has x equals 19, and y equals 0.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 2 to x equals 19, the run is 17. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals negative 24 to y equals 0, the rise is 24.
Slope is rise divided by run, 24 over 17, which simplifies to 24 over 17. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values. Slope is 24 over 17, x1 is 2, and y1 is negative 24.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.